Hey everyone, quick update for the week ending Friday, November 14th. Hope everybody had a good week. So the S&P started off really strong on Monday, extended Tuesday and Wednesday, big sell-off yesterday, big sell-off today. Today looked eerily similar to last Friday, where we had that big flush and then bounce. NASDAQ, pretty similar price action. The Dow actually hit a new all-time high on Wednesday before selling off yesterday and today. Gold and silver pulling back strong early in the week and then sell off the last couple days. Silver actually hit a new all-time high of 54.4 per ounce. That was yesterday. Notes and bonds and yields. 10-year yield was a little bit weaker and then finished up at 4.143. Oil finished up 2% today, had a big sell-off on Wednesday, so just kind of back and forth. Natty gas sold off a little bit today, but continued strength like we've seen the last month or so. The euro and the pound up versus the US dollar for the week. And Bitcoin continued weakness, ending in the futures a little over 95,000, back down to levels that we haven't seen since early May. May 6th was the last time we saw 95,000. So, and the VIX ended at 19.83, had a peak today of a high of 23.03. Before selling off with the bounce in stock. So a little volatility is here to play with still. So that's kind of the week recap. As far as my trades go, pretty flat week as far as my P&L goes. I was actually ended down $443 on the week. As far as my 0-1 DTEs, took a big loss today on a price action iron Condor. Had a loss on a 1 DTE early, but not too many trades, but minus 2,800 for the week in that category. BICs were kind of all over the place. Monday down 5,000, Tuesday up 5,000, Wednesday up 3,000, Thursday down 3,000, almost 4,000, and then today up 2,200. So ended the week plus 1,853 on those. Transformers did 2. This was actually a 1 DTE from last Friday, but it closed Monday, so plus 1,300 on that one, and then a minimum profit plus 310, so plus 1,640 on those 2 trades. Mahomes, 3 trades. A couple of them were just scalps, and then one I took to the bell, plus 1,780. Calendars did a 3-4 that was basically a scratch, and then the one today with the big move, minus 1,300. So minus 1,327 for those 2 trades. And then directionals, I was red, minus 2,300. Thursday, yesterday was a decent loss. The other days were just kind of small winners. So net minus a little over 2,300 for the week. And then the only thing other than those would be I did a bearish earnings fly in CoreWeave that booked 780. So that's it for my week. Hope everybody has a good weekend. We'll talk to you next week. Cheers.